This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Solana today. Let's put my charts into perspective. Here we have a candlestick area. These gray vertical bars are volume profile. Here is a slow stochastic indicator, and down here is the MACD. Here are Camarilla pivot points. This is R4. This is R3. This blue line that you're seeing here, this is the 200 exponential moving average. This is the 15-minute chart. This is the daily chart. I'm getting my trading levels and my technicals from the daily chart and actively trading off of the 15-minute chart. This particular trade idea was an R4 to an R6 traverse. Based on my trading system, if a currency pair trades above the R4 level, I want to go long, and the R6 level is my target. So first we'll come in down here on the daily and take a look at Solana. So Solana here, we've been buying today. We can see the slow K is well above the slow D. We can see here on the MACD, buyers have some momentum, and the MACD is above the average. So we are showing some strength here on the daily. And again, just buying today or this morning so far. This volume profile here is the open of the U.S. market. I took my entry before the U.S. market opened here on this pullback. This morning in pre-market of U.S. market, Solana was bought up above the R4 level. It broke out here. So here on pullback, I use the Fibonacci retracement to time a pullback here at the 0.618 level. Sat through a little bit of pullback down here to the 0.764 level. We can see as the volume comes in, buyers are able to take the price of Solana higher and buys up back through the R4 level, and then buyers were able to take the price from this R4 level here up to the R6 level up here, where I was able to take profits. And we can see here the price action here where I take the entry. The slow K here on the slow stochastic is in between an overbought and oversold condition, and we have the MACD set for a crossover here on the average, and we have declining buyer momentum. You can also see here that we're trading above this 200 EMA. So if I'm going long, I want to be above the 200 EMA. If I'm going short, I want to be below. So I use the 200 EMA as a signal for strength or weakness to give me direction as well on a trade or confirmation based on what I'm wanting to do. So for this being an R4 long to an R6, I want that support level of the 200 to be below me for a move up, which I have. And again, the buyer volume comes in, and we can see here the slow K crosses over the slow D here, and we can see the MACD crossing over the average here with increased buyer momentum, which led to the profit taking that I was able to make up here at this level. And currently I'm in a position on Bitcoin. Bitcoin I took here at the open this morning. You can see here I took a couple entries. I made an error of using this candle as my stop candle instead of using this candle right here at the R3 level. Took a couple tries, took some small losses, and then was able to take this position here for this move up. So keep an eye on this. Bitcoin is looking pretty strong today. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 consecutive closed green candles here, potentially an eighth here. So we'll see how this goes. This particular trade, if it works out, I think puts me up here close to the 200 EMA here on the daily chart. You can see this red line down here. That's where my profit target is here on the daily. But this is on tilt trading, and we'll see you next time.